y'all, my newest digital releases just released this morning. In Etsy, you will find it under Sukkot Harvest Digital Kit. I called it Sukkot because, well, for one, my family celebrates Sukkot. It's in the Bible as the main harvest feast. It says that his people are to celebrate it every year, and it does not say Jews feast or Jewish feast. It says his feast, God's feast for his people to be celebrated throughout eternity. So we celebrate it, and we also celebrate Thanksgiving. But anyway, so the name of it is Sukkot Harvest Digitals, and I wanted to share these with y'all. So Sukkot is also called Feast of Tabernacles. And for those of y'all that read the Bible, y'all know that his word says that when Jesus came, that he tabernacled among us. It's also called the Feast of Tents, because it is to remind us that we are free. We are free from the bondage of sin and death. The Israelites and other people who came with them, because there were lots of Egyptians also, the Mitzrayim, who left Egypt after Israel's time of bondage as slaves to them. You know, when Moses was able to part the Red Sea through God's mercies and grace, miracle, it was not just the Israelites, the Hebrew, that crossed that Red Sea and went with them. It was also a lot of Egyptians, a lot of Mitzrayim. And y'all can read that in there if you don't believe me. A multitude of them. And they were all grafted into his family, and they all celebrated as well. So all of his people who are free from bondage. And I don't know about y'all, but I am one of his people. So I celebrate it. Here's some pretty Polaroids. I am just really excited about this kit, and I already know what I'm going to do with it. So whether you celebrate it or not, I know if you don't, you probably at least celebrate Thanksgiving harvest. And I think that this is perfect for that as well. Like I said, we celebrate that also. Sukkot, the Feast of Tabernacles, comes before Thanksgiving, and we do it a little bit different. So we celebrate both. All right, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed that. Flip through this set is in my Etsy shop, and I'm so super excited about it. Anyway, thank y'all for watching, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.